Yeah, back here, it's the Yamaha Tenere 660cc model kit from Italeri, the Paris Dakar, scale 1:9, of course, I like that. It's a re-release. I think the original is from Protar, but I'm not sure. I think it is. And you can see the artwork real simple, but a picture from the real model, and that's great to see. Yeah, not the real thing, but the model of it, and that's good. The sides, you can see the decals, the sticker, some information, of course. And what's here? The real pictures, how to make it really good. Italeri. They also have the BMW 1000, I think, yeah, GS from the Dakar Rally out. They also released that thing. I also had it from Timea, but I'm gonna order it again because I want to build it. And I'm hoping that Italeri will release the Cagiva Elephant, the Dakar Rally Cagiva, because I had it as a child, but I fucked the whole thing up, so I don't have it anymore. I'm gonna release the seals, the Navy seals. Moment, please. Yeah. So we can pull the box off. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look. No, blijf staan. Look at it. Here we have some decals. That looks really good. Yeah, I like that. Oh, we have some stuff what's on the decals. We have things. Look at that. It's really big, and we have some the axes, some screws, and the cables, and a spring. There's a spring in it. Oh, look at it. Also, we have the white parts, and you can see it. That's the saddle. Ooh, it's quite big. It's a really big thing. The chrome parts. Yeah, that looks great. Oh my god, and it's his Terror. Yep, I was thinking about it. That was also in the Cagiva kit. Oh no, my god, you have to glue the whole, how do you call it? The chain. You have to glue the whole thing together or burn it. Yeah, you can. I will show you in a moment. Let's see what we got here. The tires, rubber parts. Oh, cool. That's great. Even the stuff is also from rubber. Okay. Great. We have some glass parts, and oh, there's one package, and the black parts. Yep, glass and then black, and the engine parts, of course, in grey. Yamaha. Okay, that looks awesome. It's awesome. So I really have a heart attack because that's the big part I don't like, but we have to do it. And I will show you when it's inside this great little book. Looks good. Oh, look at the parts. Christ. Yep. That's the rear spring. Will it work? Maybe it will work. I think so. The engine, some cables. Okay, and this is the Terror, people. This is huge. Sure. You can see it. Oh, god, oh god. Oh. Maybe it's quite simple. Yeah, you have to glue all those points together and not too much, because then it will work. Oh god, yeah. Ooh, that's maybe not so funny. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? If you buy the BMW, you don't have this. Because it's a car then or something thing. Yeah, okay. That looks really good, but I'm very happy about it. It's the old Tenere, of course. I own myself in real time a Tenere, the 700, and I just saw this. I think, what the hell, I must have it. Sometimes you see things that you will buy immediately, and this is one of it. I also ordered the BMW, can't wait to see it here, but for now you can see what's in the box, and it looks really good. I'm really happy about it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something else than my usual Second World War II figures. But, well, sometimes you must build some other stuff. And for me, motorcycles and cars are really one of them. So, I will build it. It'll take some time for it. A lot of time, I think. I'm gonna build it real slow. Sometimes I make one thing in one weekend, but this thing I'm gonna take lots of time for it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Now you have seen a little bit what's inside the box, and it looks real good. So on one, yeah, to see. Okay, so well, see you next time. Okay, goodbye.